Hello everyone, today we have Ved Maheshwari with us, who is on our channel for the second time. So let's start with the basic intro.
Hi everybody, I'm Ved and I'm a first year at NUJS Calcutta.
So my first question is that how was your first day and how has life been like in NUJS as a fresher till now?
I've been at NUJS for some 3 months now, and when I look back to that first day I was there, it was the orientation day, I think. And that day was very confusing because simultaneously there was this heaps of documentation and all that bureaucratic work that you had to get through, and then there was also the realization that this is going to be the place you're going to be staying in for the next 5 years of your life. And then someone put to me as half a decade, which was then again a shock because half a decade at this place. But okay, 3 months hence, when I look back at the same places, the mess, the rec room, my staff quarters, the CAD block, whatever, there's a very different perspective. It's starting to feel a little bit like home. It has to at some point. You have to have that connect with it at some point, but it's starting to be like that. For example, the room I stay in, my hostel, my staff quarters, it's sort of starting to feel like a comfort place in that sense. Okay, maybe after a long day of classes and everything, that is a place that is my own, which is a feeling you get in your room back at home. And this may not be a case for many, but this is what I've felt recently, that okay, this is my comfort place. As for my experience as a fresher, I was told a lot of things about NUJS, a lot. So there were a lot of expectations. There was a lot of, okay, what will happen? What is college like? So I went in a very confident interview, like क्या ही होगा देखते हैं. And okay, so the seniors were really nice, and like they were supportive. They were like, anything you need, anything that happens, subject, academics, you're stressed, you're depressed, anything you need. And okay, so that was a comforting fact there कि ठीक है, someone is there for you there. And so as things progressed, वो hectic होने लगता है. Classes come in, and for us हमारे internals also started coming in, moot, debate, whatever के simultaneously sports भी start हो जाता था. तो उसके बीच में जो पूरा hectic routine that we used to have, there've been a lot of little moments that I've truly enjoyed. One thing I've really loved about a college is the culture that it has. I mean, obviously you'll talk to anyone from that college. Every college will have certain थोड़े से negatives, but when I see the positives, I've always been someone, if if a place has a good culture, a good vibe, good traditions that it follows from years and years, कि भाई, if for example our team wins this, then there's a particular tradition that we follow. And the way it's everyone celebrates things. It's not a disparity between batches. The seniors, they make you feel included. The first years, basically in everything, they're like, come join us. So it's a very inclusive environment that way. And people have a very black and white vision of college life. It's either good or it's either bad. But for me, it's been the quite opposite. It's good on some days, bad on some days, really bad on some days, but also some days when I've made most amazing memories with people. And yeah, that's...
So how is the campus? How is the campus life? Like structurally कैसा है college?
So before I went to NUJS, यहाँ पे there are a couple of people who were from NUJS. So like, NUJS is good and all and everything. Campus थोड़ा सा not very good. I was like, ठीक है, क्या ही होगा, देखते हैं, we'll go, we'll see. And well, so I went, and that's also the favorite part of my college. जो during night, there's this very front part of the college that's lit up, and that looks really pretty in the night. And so I went in. There was a couple of seniors who gave me the tour of the college, and I was like, okay, cute. That was my first expression towards that. And then I was shown to my hostel staff quarters where I live, and there were a lot of things that our seniors had left for us in those rooms, and they were your typical hostel life rooms that you would imagine. I mean, you put what you see in web series or whatever, what you imagine, and then you place it there, and that's what you have. And initially, say for 2 months even, you won't get used to that, but धीरे धीरे ठीक है. जब when you know live there all day every day, you're like, you get used to it. And structurally our campus is small. You walk in, you take a round, it's over. But there are little nitty-gritties that make it, for me at least, because I'm that kind of a person who, you know, when things have some stories, meanings associated to them, they're good to me. I feel them like. So, you know, there's the hostel terraces that I've enjoyed. The view of Calcutta from those terraces is amazing. And then there's a card block. You go into card block at night for any work, for anything like that. You will see the quad at night. Even your hostels, when you know make memories in those rooms, when you were so stressed finishing an assignment right before the deadline or anything like that. So those things start to have meaning for you. You associate them with things other than, oh, ye to bahut ganda hai. There are different associations for them. So what I mean to say is, campus may not be that good, but जैसे जैसे associations आती रहेंगी ना with things, with different things, you'll start maybe not like it, but hate it less in that way.
It's small, but it's comforting.
It's comforting, yeah, very comforting.
Okay, so coming to the hostel life, how is the hostel life? The food, water, and everything.
Coming to the hostel life, food, water, and all of it. So initially when you go, you see the mess. There's 4 meals you have. The standard breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and our breakfast is really good. That's one thing I'll give it to the mess. Breakfast is amazing. Though I never can wake up for the breakfast, but I've heard it's good. Then lunch, initially, your first year you come, you'll find it good for a couple weeks, then it starts to get boring. It starts to get really boring. Dinner is, on certain days people are excited for it, because you know there are certain dishes that people are actually excited for.
Like?
Well, there's a couple of days where you get non-veg and chicken, so those are the days people are excited for it. And so, as I said, lunch starts to get monotonous, and in overall mess food starts to get monotonous. So when that happens, we have this really nice place, like just adjoining to our college. We named it the side gate of the seniors. So there are a couple of stalls, and you can get everything imaginable there. It's a comfort place for some people. You know, right after classes they go. When mess food gets too boring, they go there, something like that. As far as our water and everything else goes, I think it's, as for hostel, it's decent but still not very good. I would say that. But yeah, they have decent facilities. Rooms and all, as I said earlier, you'd have the very typical hostel rooms. They'd be very, I would say, minimalistic in that way. You'd have your beds, desk, and cupboards for you, and you'd have a lot of say graffiti handed down by your seniors in your rooms, which makes for a nice addition. You know, the rooms.
Is it triple sharing?
No, so for example, for first year, I live in the staff quarters. So basically, that's like a flat. You have your 8 people, so that's 2 rooms. Then there's the boys' hostel, which is double sharing and single sharing. So single sharing usually goes to senior years, they take that. For first years, you have double sharing room.
So like, since you were highly talking about the culture, so give us some examples कि वहाँ का culture कैसा है NUJS का.
NUJS culture, there's never a dull moment that you'll experience at NUJS. Every week there's something or the other happening. So, well, firstly, so every day there's this little quad ball thing that all the batches play. It's not restricted to any batch. Everyone comes and plays together. The seniors, the juniors, everyone together, which is a great way they bond with each other. And then apart from that, every festival is celebrated. For example, we had Onam, and the Malcolm committee that were in college, they cooked the special meal for all of the general body, and it was really amazing when I tell you that. And More so, they have these little traditions for a lot of things. So I've not experienced a lot of the culture there because it's just been one sem. But I have mentors who were there in NUJS a couple years back, 5-6 years back. They tell me, so we have this inter-batch quad ball football tournament that happens, and the winning the winning batch, they hang all their jerseys on one balcony on one floor. The winning batch, sometimes we have this area called the cesspool, so the winning team players also jump there, and just like a part of the celebration that they have. And then just so as first years come to the college, there's a lot of you miss your home state, you miss your home. So just to alleviate that feeling, to be close to people who are from your home, they have this concept called state dinners that they organize. So seniors from the respective states, they take the initiative, they bring the juniors together, and they really I went to my state dinner, and the whole sole aim that they had there was just get to know your seniors, get to know us, get to know each other. So, we are there to help you. Ask us what's going on, tell us. So the culture in that sense, it's very inclusive. You celebrate every festival, and everything is marked by a celebration. We have Dandiya nights, we have the Dahi Handi celebration. True, that's there in every college, but I have not experienced what other colleges do, but I love how our college celebrates it, how it includes every batch. There's a competition, for example, in Dahi Handi, yet simultaneously every batch enjoys together as well. So yeah, it's a good culture.
So my last question is, do you have any tips for all the people who are aspiring to be in NUJS or in NLUs in general?
Well, one thing that really helped me was that before going to NUJS, I had some sort of sense as to what to expect, what will happen. Although there was a lot more to it, but I had a general idea, which was comforting in its own sense. That was there because I had a mentor who guided me about that. I had a mentor who helped me connect with people who were already there in that college, seniors who I already knew. So when I went there, those seniors, I met them, they gave me the tour of the college. They told me, okay, this is how you go about this is how you go about this is what you not do, and this is what you can do. So they told me, okay, take a pause, explore, and then do stuff on your own. So that is something that helps. So if you can find someone like that, that is always great. Secondly, in a college like NUJS, or in any college, like what I've generally experiences, try out everything, give everything a shot, because more so you don't really connect with a place until you start taking part in its events, in its culture, in whatever it has to offer. Even if there are little events, such as, for example, there's Onam celebration that that's going on. There's some other festival celebration that's going on. Maybe you're not a part of that community, but go there. They're always very inclusive of that. They're very inclusive of the general body, and enjoy with them, partake in that, because that's how you connect with the place. That's how a place becomes comforting and home to you. So try out as much as you can, and more so in a college like NUJS, talk to the seniors, ask them for help. Don't shy out from that, because they will tell you that you can ask us without hesitation. Then they'll be really supportive. They'll be help you with their projects, with your moods, whatever you need, and more so even out of the academic life, they'll be there for you. And lastly, I think it will get hectic at times. You will miss home. There'll be good moments, bad moments, but you can majorly sail through that. Take a pause, take it one step at a time. And I am while I'm not in a very position of authority to say that, because I've just only spent one semester, but this is what I've experienced so far. Thank you so much.